Hello guys, in this video, the same as the last video, we teach you how to shorten the line when you're doing the AB point operation. So in this video, I will introduce you how to make extending for the certain track. Sometimes the field display is longer, and we want to extend in the track to make it fly a little bit forward, and the operation is really similar to the shorten. So when we actually doing the operation, how we doing the extending is we will push make it to push the forward, just like the drone want to do in the switch, that is the swap, but we not allow it. If we push the forward before the drone to do the track switching, the drone will reduce the flying speed, and if it even pass the switching point, it will keep going until you release the stick. And now if we release it, if you're seeing on the left side of the right side of the screen, all the tracks being extended, was they were using the longer track to do it. So you can do another extending, or you can do in shorten, depending on the different size and different shape of the land. That's the operation for extending.